See, it cleared out this whole area. What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we're going over my 26-inch rims with 35s on them. I made it home from the shop and dude, we rubbing. So they said they'll take care of it, but I'm just looking at it and seeing what we can do ourselves, just to see if y'all have the same problem as I did. This is 2022, so it ain't too many on YouTube to see like what the issue is or anything. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. As y'all can see, we do car content on this channel. We're gonna get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, as y'all can see, tires are mounted. I didn't get to wash it up or nothing yet. Here is the golly, what they call it, mud flap. And back in my day, I mean, a mud flap was like rubber hanging all the way down. But anyways, the little plastic mud flap. So you can see right here, that's where it was rubbing. So what I'm gonna try to do is cut from here to this line to that line. That's a line right there too. I don't know if you can see it. And we'll trim that part out just to see if we clear. Cause even if you do that, you're still gonna have carpet covering right there. Clear up, camera. But yeah, you'll still have carpet covering right there, so it ain't gonna look bad. And also, there's a metal bracket behind here that'll give you like 2 more inches of space, but it's not hitting right here. It's only hitting the plastic. So we're gonna trim this plastic up first and see what that does, and then if not, we'll be pulling that bracket out. Let me see if I can show y'all. Well, there's one of the bolts to the bracket. So we'll get into that, I guess, if we have to move forward. After we trim this, we're gonna turn the wheel and see what happens. I usually got my table set up out here. Sorry about the wind, guys. I usually have my table set up out here, but I don't, so I'm gonna have to bend down and get this thing done. I got a lot of work going on, so excuse my yard. We're trying to get the 72 going. I have the El Camino charging up, so we're gonna get it ready to go. It's summertime, guys. It is summertime. Anyways, let's see if I can get something to hold this. Let me see where I put y'all. Give me a second. Alright, let me get this plugged in. One of these plugs. Hopefully this does it, guys. We ain't gotta do nothing else. then you can trim that up and make it all pretty. But first, we're gonna make sure it's not gonna hit anymore. We'll trim that up later. I ain't got time for that. And we'll do one side. Hopefully it clears. Whew. Dang, I got my shirt dirty. Golly. Alright, back to the truck. So it's got a little push tab right here. Instead of screwing back in the, oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all. If y'all trying to figure out how to take this off, there's 3 T10s, and then there's one 10mm bolt that's gonna be under the bottom over here. Can y'all see that right there? That one's hiding up under there. And then you got 1, 2, and then 3. One of those hiding up under there. So what we'll do, move everything out the way, we'll snap it on. I hope I'm helping y'all out. I'm just trying to help y'all out, guys, so y'all don't run into this issue like I did. We're gonna pop, oh, gotta get under there. We're gonna pop it back in. It's hard to do with one hand. Let's see if we in there. Yep. Alright, we in there. So we're just gonna kind of leave it hanging right there, and then we'll turn the wheel, see if we clear. Not cut enough. We're gonna have to cut more. It looks like we're gonna have to cut a little bit more. It's getting past that part though. You know what? Maybe I should just take that back bracket out. I don't want to cut all of this off. Yes. I don't know. Yeah, let's take that back bracket out, guys. So it'll free up a little more space for sure. Here is the hidden bracket. See how I got that pulled back so y'all can see. So you take out 1, 2, 3. There's another one back here. 3 of those T10s, and then these are 10mm. So you already pull one out automatically. Hold on, I'm looking at the camera. You pull one out automatically on the bottom, and then that one comes out when you take off the mud flap. And then you got, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So you got that one right there too. So we're gonna take these off, and let me see if I can bend down here and show y'all. That's gonna give you, see how much space that is? So that's gonna give us another, shoot, inch and a half of clearance. So yeah, we're gonna get that off, guys. All right, we got it out. And sorry guys, that's 13 mil bolts on there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that big one that came out the bottom was 10 mil. That's holding the mud flap up. So we'll still have plenty of bolts to hold it on there, so we should be good. And got a lot more space now too. See, it cleared out this whole area. So yeah, we'll see. We will see. And then what I'm gonna do, you see where that bow hole is? We'll suck it back. I'll suck it back some right there, so we'll have more space and it'll clear. Yes, sir. Okay, guys, it's getting dark. It really don't look like it on camera, but it is. I drilled a hole right here where that bracket was at and put a bolt through there, and then that bolt's gonna go back here and suck this in pretty good. So see that hole right there? That one. You want to go for the top one. So we'll suck that back and see what that does. Alright guys, I ran out of light, but I got my little light out here. So I took that bolt out just to see if I need it or if I don't. But we got this all trimmed up. I got it bolted on. Alright, go ahead and turn it to the right. Keep going. Okay. It looks decent. Alright, slowly turn it back. If I say stop, stop. I'll say it loud. Go ahead and turn it back. Keep going. Alright. It barely touched, guys. Barely touched, so I think we're good. I could trim it a hair more. I don't want to trim it too much. But we're gonna try that and see how it goes. It's already dark. It's already dark, guys, so I'm not gonna show y'all me doing the other side. That's pretty much gonna be the end of this video. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.